Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Monday, October 16th, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now, or in the description box below, for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible. Or, as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. The UAW strike against the big three automakers rolls on, and with another week comes further temporary layoffs, this time by Ford. Ford is expected to announce the layoff of 550 more personnel today, with 100 at the Dearborn Stamping Plant, 65 at Dearborn Diversified Manufacturing Plant, 45 at Rawsonville Components Plant, and 29 at the Sterling Axle Plant, as well as hundreds more at facilities in Indiana and Ohio. The new layoffs bring the total at Ford alone to 2,480 since the strike began, and these layoffs are due to the latest strike at the Kentucky truck plant. As weather gets colder and the strike drags on, both sides will be more desperate for a deal to get done. San Francisco State University is planning to lay off 125 full-time equivalent positions, resulting in the elimination of 325 part-time lecturer roles out of 1,084 at the university. Cuts also include 23 full-time tenure-track faculty and 6 full-time staff positions. The response from faculty and students has been a wave of protests and organizing, as the layoff of so many faculty would result in a drastic decrease in education quality for enrolled students. The California Faculty Association, CFA, is going to fight the layoffs, planned to take place in spring of 2024, and hopefully get the layoffs to be scaled back. Finally, WTVP, a PBS member station based in Peoria, Illinois, has laid off 9 employees due to a reorganization and budget cut of $1.5 million. The cuts were made after a board of directors meeting last week found improper, unauthorized, and questionable use of funds. WTVP's president and CEO resigned last month, and newly appointed interim station manager Julie Sanders broke the news. Sanders said the 9 personnel span all business operations of the station and that each was given severance packages.